We're shooting off fireworks at the fags right now.
Pretty good, we're slide off the fireworks. Nope.
It's kind of loud.
I shut the door and locked it. That's funny, just like
That was an RA, dude. You just lit off a fire. I just locked that motherfucker outside. Yep.
Bang on the door.
He's gonna bang on the door like
fuck off, please.
Dude, that was an RA.
I don't.
No, it's not.
Yeah, that was. He lit it off right in front of. He tried to come in. I slammed the door and locked it.
What are they gonna do?
Nothing now.
Nothing. RAs are fags. It's a known fact.
they're paid to be haters.
They're paid to be fags.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
They are anyway. They are anyway.
Yeah.
What are they gonna do? Knock
RA stands for rank
Knock until
ass.
the cops come.
Retarded assholes.
Oh, some people lit off a firework. Okay, we'll be right over.